Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to a very fresh vlog. And today is the very happiest day for me because I'm going to unbox this big boy. Oh my goodness, look at this guys. So as I mentioned it in the last video, I had bought it, so today I'm going to unbox it. Stay with me till the end of this video and watch out. I have never unboxed it before, so this is the first time I'm unboxing Mavic 3 Cine. This is the pro version. This is like not a normal version, so stay with me till the end of this video and we will see what we can get in from this box and what is inside. From outside you can see all these things, but let's see, find out inside, and more further ado, let's unbox it. Okay, I'm very excited for this because this is like my dream drone, and this thing is incredible. So my hands are a bit shaking. It's not easy to unbox it, but let's see. Wow, goodness me, look at this guys. This plastic is very like strong and steady. It's not that easy to take it out, but let's see. Oh wow. So from the outside of the box you can see this is the box, and you can find this, and from down of the box you can find what you will find inside in the box. All these things you guys can see here are in this camera as well. So let's open it one by one, and don't be hurry. I will open it slowly and show you each and everything. So this is also my first time and maybe your first time as well, so we can find it together. Okay, wow, look at this. So inside you can find this QR code from DJI Mavic 3 Cine, DJI Fly App, video tutorials, and user manuals. And this is what you can find. My goodness, so in the box there's nothing more. Goodness me, look at this. Oh my god, this is precious. Like, I think this is the most beautiful packing I have ever seen and I have ever unboxed it. Look at this. Wow, goodness. Wow. Okay, let's open it before. Wow, can you hear the sound? Wow, amazing sound. This plastic is good. Wow, smells so good. And look at this guys, this is the actual bag you're gonna get when you unbox it, and it's pretty heavy. When I get this from the shop I was surprised, like, what, a drone camera can be that heavy? But I think this is also because of the bag. So first let's talk about the bag. The bag is I think pretty beautiful. The side you can have these two strips. Open this one, and from this side you can open this one, and this is the bag. So I have seen the many unbox videos, so they said this bag can be changed into your backpack. So let's unbox the backpack first. And this is true. Look at this. This is your backpack. I think I like the bag quality. It's pretty good. It's solid fabric. It's not like the old DJI bags. And here is the main. Wow, this is the main aircraft guys. Look at this. Wow, can this be a drone? Look in this camera. Oh my goodness, this thing is beast. Oof. So from the side look, this is the one side, this is the front, this is the another side, and this is the back side. So this is the actual thing. But here, how to reopen? Wow, this is amazing. Wow, look at this. So this is basically magnet. You're gonna open this and you're gonna have your drone first look like this. Imagine, look at this. Wow, dual camera. I really like the smell when I buy something fresh because it gives me really nice feelings. Today we will just discuss what we can get from this box. We will not talk about the other things. Well, here what is in this box, let's see. Okay, user manuals as usual. If somebody have never tried it, he can read it. Here I think this is the battery charging hub. Okay, you can get this one, battery charging hub. This is the USBC cable, very great cable. Like, wow, I have never seen a cable, this kind of cable. Look at this, look in this camera as well. Wow, amazing cable. Okay, here in the filter box, let me open it and show you. Okay, ND filter. So actually with Cine version they give you two ND filter boxes. Here you can see, look at this, look at this. This is another one with the ND filter box, more beautiful. This, look at this, wow. Okay, and some other fresh propellers, spare fresh beautiful propellers, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and one other is 7 8, and USB and USB-C, USB to USB cable. Okay, we're gonna keep it here. And the next, what we can get from here, wow, this is honestly the thing what I was waiting for, because I have never seen this thing before. Like, I have seen it but I have never used it. This is the smart controller, guys. This thing cost a lot of money. This is like $1,300 US. This is the smart controller. Before they had like some controllers, but that was not pro version, so they cannot work actually with this one. Look at this, guys, wow. And these are the batteries. So the batteries are really big, because this drone can last 46 minutes. Like, this is, you fly one time and it will be forever in the air. Like 46 minutes, you can get tired flying 46 minutes. So this one battery can last 46 minutes. So I think it's worth it, and the battery is pretty heavy, but I think this is great for having 3 batteries. So that's why I choose the combo size and Cine version, because it can last more. So this is the same, another battery. And here is the charger. Look at this charger, a very small charger, and wow, I like this thing. Yes, because this, you can just pull it out, because when you fix in the bag, sometimes it has a lot of problem if it's not you cannot pull and push it back. So this is a great charger. I think this is very beautiful, and that's it, guys, pretty much. So this is the bag from inside. Look, if you want to see, this is the bag, and you can see inside. I think it's not my first, but for this kind of pro version, it's my first unboxing video. I'm not sure you would like it or not, but please give a big thumbs up to this video, because in the future I want to try to make many tech review videos and unboxing videos, so it will help me a lot. And please give me your review down below, because what do you think about these drones? I don't know you guys have used it before, the drones or not, but this is a really great technology. So this was like my third drone of DJI, but this was the most expensive. This drone like cost 33,000 RMB. So you can imagine how expensive is this in US dollar. I don't know, because we bought it in Chinese yuan. So this is like a very great technology in the drone. So in next day, tomorrow, I will fly it, and I hope I will share with you some great footage, and I will also share with you my another drones I have, so we can compare both of them, which one is good and why, what is the better quality in this. So stay with me till the next video, and I'm sure you will support me, and your like and subscription means to me a lot. Thank you so much for watching this video, and till next one, take care of you and your family. Bye bye, love you all, and peace.